I'm getting out of the basement and I'm going on tour. The Cuddy Show is going to add 2 new video series this spring. First, starting this weekend, is going to be a brewery tour. I'm going to go to all kinds of different local breweries, give ratings and reviews, and do tours and interviews whenever possible. It's going to start with Inner Groove Brewing with a special interview already lined up. The second video series, I'm going to join a barbecue competition and I'm going to document the entire thing. I'm collaborating with the Sweet Palate out of Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're going to go May 13th through the 15th to Kannapolis, North Carolina to compete in Jiggy with the Piggy. I'd like to thank the 3 guests I've already had on. They've contributed great interviews to the podcast. They can be downloaded wherever you listen to podcasts. They'll also be available on YouTube. All the brewery tours, all of the barbecue competitions are all going to be available on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If I get enough subscribers, I can do more and more content. I can do more barbecue competitions. If you have recommendations of breweries, if you know of barbecue competitions that I can compete in, if you'd like to be a guest on the show or you'd like to be a guest reviewer at one of the breweries, just come out and have a beer. DM me, comment, email, steve@thecuddyshow.com. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to everyone that supported the channel so far.